Hello, what is up mga moms or sir mom? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to unbox and review the Blockies Transformers 1 Classic Class Starscream. So this is the front of the box. Naglagay na ako ng signature kasi i-customize natin to. What I like about this is meron siyang Megatron vehicle form na bonus vehicle. Tapos naka-indicate din dito sa box na meron ding eyes na nag-glow. No brush required, no glue required, no cutters required. 87 pieces. Nasa ang style niya ay runners, so you can get the parts from the runners. Tapos ito yung mabubuo nating model kit. Yan, ito si Megatron na vehicle. Yung bonus Megatron vehicle, ang measurements niya 62 by 20 millimeters. Maliit lang siya pero angas. Tapos yung mabubuo nating yung model kit si Starscream stands around 12.6 cm. So nabuo ko na yung most of the parts. Tapos ito yung LED light niya. Tatapikin lang. We just tap it from the back para umilaw siya. Yan. Malakas naman yung LED light niya. So ang technology na ginagawa nila dito, translucent yung peg para magpo-flow yung light from the chest papunta dun sa eyes. Okay? So nag-glow yung eyes. And also yung kanyang back, ito very nice backpack yung wings niya. And then attach na natin yung arms. So ito yung arms. Merong butterfly joints, very nice for additional range of movement. Tapos yung kanyang waist. Let's do the waist. Okay. And the other arm. Okay, buuin din natin. Tapos, ito lang. This is very fun to build. Easy yung, ang ganda ng layout ng manual. Very easy to understand. Kahit wala masyadong English na instructions. Kailangan nyo lang talaga makita ko ano yung part, what part, tapos i-snap nyo na siya together. Snap fit lahat to. Hindi nyo na kailangang mag-apply ng glue. Okay. Ito yung legs niya, right leg and left leg. Okay. This is Starscream dun sa Transformers 1 na movie. Ito yung appearance niya dun. Okay, kabit lang natin to sa likod and then there you go, we are done na mag-build ng Starscream. Siguro inabot ako dito ng 15 to 30 minutes para i-build from start to finish. Relatively madali siyang buuin kasi yung parts niya mas konti lang, siguro ilan to, 96 parts. Tapos madali rin namang intindihin yung manual and very nice na production and very nice design, engineering design from Blockies. Okay, so first yung paint application na ginamit nila dito is red. I think red. Oh yeah, meron ding red. Ito kasi parang I think they used red plastic for this. Yan yung armor. Yan. Kaya may konting marbling. Yan. Tapos dito silver and then blue. Yan. Ganda ng silver na ginamit nila dito. Very cool toned silver. Merong konting hue ng konting-konti lang. Konting hue ng bronze. This one, yung inner frame gunmetal. Very primary blue, cobalt blue. Tapos yung red nila medyo muted and then you also have the orange na window color for the cockpit design. Tapos meron ding mga guns or machine gun type of style dito sa kanyang shoulders and dun sa wings. Tapos you have the wing design here, very large na wing design sa kanyang backpack. Very nice Starscream mech design from the movie Transformers 1. Start tayo sa head details. Very cool head armor design. Wala siyang alt na headpiece katulad ni B127. Meron siyang armored version. This one is the face sculpt. Tapos meron siyang chest piece dito sa part na to, sa middle area. And then you have the cockpit. Tapos meron siyang twin guns dito sa kanyang shoulder. Yan. You can also move. Yan. Tapos merong red na strips dito sa kanyang shoulder part or sa bicep part. Then the gauntlets are blue, and meron ding gunmetal na area or segment or section dito sa kanyang gauntlet. And then you have the hips. Okay. Foot design. What I like about this is the backpack or twin or wing design dito sa dito sa kanyang back, na articulate pa siya. Tapos meron din siyang guns dito or turrets. Okay. Sa legs naman, very long legs. It's very nice. Meron pa mga exhaust type. The inner mechanism dito sa design nito is very cool too. Meron pa mga grill type, so for air exhaust. May mga vents din. Tapos dito sa kanyang legs, meron ding silver sections tsaka blue sections, tsaka sa likod very cool din, parang may mga booster type of mechanism din dito. And then you have the feet, meron din pegs para sa base. Ito yung base niya, dalawang large base na pwede niyo siyang i-connect. Ito, pwede natin siya tanggalin. Okay. Tapos pwede rin siya i-connect. Okay, this is a very large base na this is a fairly large base for Starscream. Dati kasi yung sa pinapadala ni Blockies, isa lang yung base, pero ngayon dalawa. So na-extend yung diorama base design. Sakto kasi meron din mga attachments like this. Ito yung mga additional na translucent effects na pwede nyo ilagay dun sa mga iba't ibang mga slots. So this is very nice. Pwede rin pala sa gitna. That's nice. Okay, so pwede nyo itayo dito si Starscream for a certain pose. Okay, sa articulation naman, at also meron din siyang extra fist hands. Sa articulation naman, okay, the head can look up, can look down, hindi, fairly straight. Wala ring, pero nakakatingin siya ng konting-konti sa baba. Okay, tapos yung kanyang wings can also move outward and in and out. Okay, this one can also twist or rotate, articulate, something like that. Okay, tapos yung arms can move out, can move 360. Tapos may rotation, may butterfly joints din for additional range of motion. This can also move I think, yeah, this can also move yung mga turrets. And may rotation din yung kanyang arms din dito. Meron nga ba? Wait lang. Walang rotation. This cannot rotate. Yep, di siya built para gumalaw. So dito lang sa part na to. Okay. Tapos yung kanyang kamay, ball jointed. Okay. The torso can move. This one can also, I think this one can also move itong cockpit. Yan, nagagalaw din. Okay, move out, down, 360. Yes, pwede. Yung waist. Tapos the side skirts can also move for additional range of movement. Can kick that far. Bend yung knees that far. Tapos and can also do that. Nasa ball joint, naka-ball joint naman tong kanyang legs. Tapos yung feet niya naka-attached din via ball joint. Okay? So you can do some really, really nice, cool poses like this. Something like cool poses natin. Something like this or this. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-attach dito sa base. Meron naman mga pegs yung feet. Pwede nyo i-attach dito, so you can have an additional option, display options. It's very cool. Tapos pwede nyo rin ilagay ito look at this Megatron bonus vehicle. This is very nice. So meron siyang dalawang kind of tank wheels. Very, very cool. And they also have the mega turret here. Very large turret. Ganda ng design. Tapos articulated pa siya. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 points of articulation. Pero astig to kasi pwede nyo siyang i-compose dito sa kanyang diorama base. So you can have Starscream here, tapos meron din dito sa likod si Megatron. So you have, pwede nyo i-compose yung mga photos nyo. Nandito si Starscream sa harap, sa foreground, tapos nasa background naman si Megatron. Alright, that's it mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ito na ang ating review sa Blockies Transformers 1 na Starscream. This is a very nice addition sa inyong Transformers 1 Blockies display. Alright, so thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!